The Lowcountry stretches from the Savannah River to Charleston, and depending on who you talk to, up the coast further to Pawleys Island, a town normally considered to be a part of the Myrtle Beach area. It makes up South Carolina's lowest lying geographical area, both on the map and elevation-wise. One can argue that the Lowcountry is also a state of mind and a way of life, making the collection of uniquely charming towns woven within scenic marshlands so alluring to visitors. That being said, if you've only visited one corner of this region, you definitely haven't seen it all. Hilton Head Island makes for a great home base for exploring bits and pieces of the Lowcountry, as it's closely surrounded by beautiful locations that vary considerably. If you're looking for a heavy dose of small-town charm and a strong local art scene that's only a short drive away, take an afternoon exploring Old Town Bluffton. Keep driving about 30 more minutes up the road to Beaufort, a city with an extensive history and is known for their delicious seafood. A third location that's easy to access from Hilton Head Island is Defusky Island, a sea island that sits on the other side of the Calabogie Sound. If you're not traveling with a car, that's perfectly fine, since a ferry and a golf cart will be your two forms of transportation while visiting Defusky. The fall and winter seasons are great times to plan day trips to explore these locations. Although the beach is still nice to walk and bike along, light sweaters might be necessary, making it easier to give up a full day on the beach for a day exploring somewhere new. And with this being the case, you might want to visit somewhere that may take a little longer to get to, like Charleston. The 2-hour drive will feel like no time at all, as you cruise through scenic marshes and under trees dripping with Spanish moss. Many of these locations require a personal car to reach, so if you plan on flying into the area, remember to check out the rental car selections on Quest Travel Club through your member portal. There you'll find great deals on cars that meet your travel group's needs from rental companies you know and trust. And if you are flying into the area, make sure to search through all of the flight options to find even more deals. So you've made your flights, you've found your rental car, or you've decided to pack up the family car and drive to the island like usual. This means you've already taken care of the easy part, accommodations. Palmera Vacation Club's member dashboard offers 3 simple ways to book beautiful accommodations at one of 4 premier resorts on Hilton Head. You can decide if you want to use your points or cash on exclusive member-only inventory. Your week in paradise is just a click away. May we make a suggestion? Use Palmera Vacation Club's 6 ways to travel to extend your stay in the Lowcountry. Why not take some extra time to fully experience the area? Take for instance Charleston, a southern city that has been receiving a lot of buzz recently and continues to be a winning travel destination in its own right for years. There are so many landmarks to see, activities to do, and delicious local eats to enjoy. It's hard to head back home feeling confident you've seen and done it all after just one day. The RCI Exchange makes it easy to either add on an extra week or plan an entirely different trip. There is a beautiful resort in downtown that's only a walk away from Rainbow Row and the waterfront park with the famous pineapple water fountain. Another great option is located on Edisto Island, a sunny area that's a great starting point for day trips to Kiowa Island, Charleston, Mount Pleasant, and more. Of course, if you're only looking to add on a few more days, it's time to head back to Quest for a wider array of resort and hotels across the area. Use the Give and Search filters to find accommodations that fit your budget and your plans perfectly. Regardless if you're adding additional days to your vacation or not, Quest also has a great lineup of can't-miss activities on Hilton Head and the surrounding areas. From enchanting tours of Beaufort's historic streets by a horse-drawn carriage, to fun scavenger hunts for all ages, to walking tours through Charleston that let you not only see the sights, but taste upscale Lowcountry cuisine. The list goes on and on. With Palmera Vacation Club's 6 ways to travel, you can plan the ultimate Lowcountry vacation. We can't wait to welcome you back.